This dance is called Just Keep Falling. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner stroke improver level line dance with one tap. Starting with our right foot into a vine. So we step right to the side, cross left behind right, step right to the side, touch left beside the right. Step the left to the side, and you're going to touch the right, forward and just over the left. Step the right to the side, touch the left, just forward and over the right. So that little section once more then, vine to the right, right foot leading, 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. Remember those last sets of touches are in front of the other foot. So we're going to vine back to the left now. So we step left to the side, cross right behind left, step left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a further quarter turn to the left. So you should now be facing the equivalent of our 3 o'clock wall. So that set of steps once more then, vining to the left, left foot leading, 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, step, step, pivot. Now there is the equivalent of a 3/4 turn there. And we do always say, try and do the turns wherever possible, because it does actually make the dance look nicer. But if for whatever reason you are struggling to get that 3/4 turn in, or it's making you feel uncomfortable and dizzy, there is an alternative set of steps. So once you've done your vine to the left with that touch, rather than doing the pivots, you can rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left. Rock back on the right. As you recover your weight, make a quarter turn to the right. So that's an on-turning alternative should you wish to try and take that 3/4 out. Forward rock, back rock with a quarter turn. So let's add those two sections together then. Vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, pivot, pivot. Step forward on the right, point the left to the side. Step forward on the left, point the right to the side. Into a jazz box with a cross. So we're going to cross the right over the left, step the left back, step right to the side, cross the left over the right. To a jazz box with a cross. So that section once more then. Step point off on the right. 7, 8, step, point, cross, back, side, cross. So add that to the top. Vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, pivot, step, point, cross, back, side, cross. Step the right back to the diagonal, so back diagonally right, touch the left beside the right. Step the left diagonally back to the left diagonal, touch the right beside the left. Now we're going to do some toe-heel switches. These are going to seem quite fast compared to the rest of the steps, because these are all on the and counts, whereas the rest of the steps are all on single count timing. So you're going to touch your right toe out to the side, step the right beside the left, touch the left out to the side, step the left beside the right. Touch your right heel forward, step the right beside the left, touch the left, go forward, step the left beside the right. Toe, heel switches. They're on counts 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So they are going to seem that little bit quicker. So that set of steps once more then. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8. Back touch, toe and heel out. Now if you are struggling to do those steps, or for the beginners, that's more of an improver type step. If you are a beginner, there is an alternative that you can actually do. Keep it to single count timing and just touch the right to the side, bring the feet together, touch the left to the side, bring the feet together. So your set of steps for that section would be back, touch, point and. So it's an alternative if you want to try and make it a little bit easier. End of the dance then when you get to that point. So let's put it all together. Line to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, pivot, step, point, cross, back, side, cross, back, touch, toe and heel it. And we start all over again. So other than those last 8 steps that we were doing, it's all single count timing. But it is a formal dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Wide to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, behind, side, touch, step, pivot, step, point, cross, back, touch, toe and heel, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, pivot, step, point, cross, back, side, cross, back, touch, toe and heel, and side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, pivot, step, point, cross, back, side, cross, back, touch, toe and heel, and. So that's your dance. Then there is a little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 11. Now wall 11 will actually be your 6 o'clock wall. You will be facing 9 o'clock when you get to the end of the wall. Quite simply, you step the right to the side, hold, bump right, bump left. Start the dance again. It comes on you fairly fast, and it feels like quite a fast tag when you do it. So let's just do wall 6, wall 11, the 6 o'clock wall, add the tag and restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Line to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, step, pivot, step, point, cross, back, touch, toe and heel, step, hold, bump, side, behind, side, touch. So you see, it comes quite quick. Just be prepared for that tag when it arrives. I will shout it out when we get to it in the music. Otherwise, that's your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go to the music.
Nothing but you and I can't stop my heart from beating. Why do I
side, touch, side behind, side, touch, step, forward, step, forward, step, forward, step, cross, back, side, cross, back, touch, turn, behind, side, touch, side behind, side, touch, step, forward, step, cross, back, side, cross, back, touch, turn, side, touch, side behind, side touch, step, cross, back, side, cross, back, touch, turn, bind, step forward, back touch, bind,
when I'm around you, I feel it in my veins. Something about you that's making me go.
step forward,
We have a storm to
back
weather.
touch,
I live sweet surrender.
bind,
You are
bind,
I feel
step forward,
so peace.
back touch,
Making me give it.
bind,
Feel the rush of adrenaline.
bind,
Not scared to jump if you want to.
forward,
Let's just fall in love for the hell of
back
it.
touch,
Baby, just keep falling. I can feel the rush of adrenaline. I'm not scared to jump 'cause I want you. Let's just fall in love for the hell of it. Baby, just keep falling.
tag at the end of this wall.
You are my muse. I feel so restless. Oh,
Tag,
oh,
bum, bum, side, behind, side, touch,
adrenaline. I'm not scared to jump if you want to. Let's just fall in love for the hell of it. Just keep falling. I can feel the rush of adrenaline. I'm not scared to jump 'cause I want you. Let's just fall in love for the hell of it. Just keep falling. Yeah. Just keep falling. Baby, just keep falling.
hope you managed that one.